This is how you use the information on your control panel. We've kept this panel as simple as possible so that you can see what's happening on your visits and sales at a glance without having to study lots of numbers. First, log into your control panel using your username and password, which takes you to your home screen. At the top is your name and MyStreet ID number. Below that are 3 sections. The section with the green header shows a summary of your sign-ups. The section with the blue header shows a summary of all your logged visits. And the section with the red header gives you updates or news about the MyStreet system. This is the key part of your control panel, so it's worth going through it in a bit more detail. Let's look at the green header panel first. The first 2 lines show you your target and sales so far for the current week. The next line shows you how many sign-ups you made in the previous weeks, and the last line provides a running average of your sign-ups over the previous 4 weeks for comparison. The blue header panel shows a summary of your visits to retailers or merchants and is similar in layout to the sign-up panel. The first 2 lines show your target and visits logged so far for the current week. The next line shows your previous week's figure for logged visits, and the last line is a running average over the last 4 weeks. It's very important to make sure that you log any retailer visits that you make. If you don't sign them and they subsequently do sign up online or through our Member Get Member scheme, you'll still get your trail income if you made the first visit and logged them. The news section with the red header provides the latest information on the MyStreet system, plus any special announcements. Beneath these panels are links to your warnings and your alerts. If you have any, it will show you how many there are. Click the link to go to the relevant page to see more details. The warnings page will tell you who has defaulted on their monthly direct debit subscription payment. This might be just a case of the merchant's funds arriving in the account after the debit request, or it could be that a merchant has actually cancelled the direct debit. Either way, it's best to give them a call or visit to see what happened, as this could affect your monthly commission payments. The alerts page is all about giving you an early warning about members who are not using MyStreet to their best advantage, something that could cause them to think about leaving. The 3 key columns to look at are low usage, low customers, and low views. The column showing low usage tells you who hasn't logged in for 4 weeks. It might simply be that they're too busy or don't currently need a promotion, but it could also mean that they're finding MyStreet difficult to grasp and are putting off using it. Either way, a quick phone call can establish if they have a problem and/or just need a nudge or a bit of guidance. The low customers column shows you any merchants that haven't got many customers to favorite them, which will mean their push messages won't reach many people. It's worth calling them about this to find out if they need help or perhaps just some tips on more or better ways to recruit customers. Low views show you any merchants who are sending out push messages that have few people tapping them. The reason for this could be as simple as a boring headline that doesn't interest customers, or it could be that the offer is not very enticing. Either way, it makes sense to make a call to see if they need help and determine what's happening. We have resources we can direct them to that will help them with these sorts of issues. Any of these columns can indicate that a member is not getting the best out of MyStreet, which could in turn lead them to deciding to discontinue membership. Since that means you will lose your ongoing commission, you should make a phone call to preempt this as soon as you see them on the alerts page. Going back to your homepage, you'll see that next to the warnings and alert links, there's a search box for you to search amongst the merchants you have recruited if you need to view their details, plus a button that takes you direct to your logged merchant screen. On the menu on the left-hand side, Merchants lets you view those merchants you've logged and also those who are currently active. The tutorial section is where you access the videos and other training resources. From time to time, these may be updated and added to, and will make sure that you're notified when that happens. The last item on the menu is the FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions, which provides all the basic information. We hope you find this control panel useful. Showing just the relevant information can help you make new sales and retain existing subscribers. Thanks for watching. If you need to know anything else about using MyStreet, please have a look at the other videos and FAQs.